How to set up Headspace account step by step. First things first, you can simply download the application using your device's Google Play Store or App Store depending on your device. Search for the Headspace application and then install it. Or what you can also do is open any web browser of your choice, then head to the Headspace registration page. Once you find the official website, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on this. From here, you can proceed to sign up with email and then tap continue. Or you can also use the social authentication using your Apple account, Google account, or even your Facebook to instantly link your account to an existing profile. And you can also, now you have to complete the onboarding personalization quiz and then choose a subscription plan or simply skip to a free account. Once you do this, you simply have to verify your account by the verification link sent to your email. And there you go. This is how you can register for Headspace.